Hello all. I am very sorry. There was a 2 months gap. After this 2 months gap, I am dropping another YouTube video. Don't worry, I will be consistent from now again. So let's start our video. Today's topic is about like recently I have seen many of my LinkedIn connection and many of my other colleagues who are facing issue while working with SSMS. That means MS SQL Server, like they are facing this issue because of let's say we are working with a huge we need to work with a huge data, so we don't like manually give the insert statement again and again. It will be a tedious process. So what we need to do is like we are creating an Excel file and we are importing that Excel file into SSMS. We all know the process, but recently there is an update in SSMS, so all are facing this same issue. Let me reproduce the issue in front of you all so that you all can understand. So as you can see, my SSMS server is already opened. So I need to write a query. So at first, let's create a new database. So for creating a new database, we need to write a simple SQL query: create database, let's say orders. This is the database name. Now I will execute it. So it is executed successfully and it will show under this. Okay. So let me refresh it. It will show after some time. So let's show it. Let's wait patiently till then. It is responding like a little bit later. But if you want to verify, you can verify. Like if you click on this drop down, you will see orders database is already created, but it is not showing in this left pane. So let me refresh it once again. Just a minute. Like it will show. Hmm. Now see, the orders database is created. So now our target is we need to import an Excel sheet here. So let me show you the Excel sheet. See, order underscore data. I already created this Excel sheet. Okay. I already stored a huge amount of data here. If you can see it has that many of record. Okay. Like a real case type of scenario so that you all can understand. So let me close it. Now what I will do, I will click on this orders. No, before at first we need to make it as a default database. Okay, otherwise it will import it anywhere other else. So I made the orders database as a default database. Now now I need to click on tasks. Under this task there is an option called import data. If you want to import flat file, you can import flat file. So as of now, I am importing an .xlsx file. That's why I will click on import data. So this wizard came. Now click on next. So we all know in the data source will be Excel, Microsoft Excel. Okay. Now I will click on this browse path to browse. So order data is there. I will click on it. Click on open. See. Now click on next. Here also we need to select the MS Excel. Okay, I again clicked. Now again I will browse the same order underscore data dot xlsx file. Now I will click on next. This is already okay. Now click on next. And now I already shown you that in that Excel there is only one sheet. The sheet name is called sheet 1. Now click on next. Now you need to run it immediately. Click on next, then finish. See here all the status will show, and I hope this will not success. This will be a complete failure. Just wait for some time. Since it is a huge data, it will like the percentage will increase slowly. See, the error is coming. It was expected. Like all over world, all are facing this issue. So let me close it. Yes. So how to tackle this issue? So for resolving this issue, you need to download a .exe file from the official Microsoft documentation website. So I already opened that website here. Don't worry, I will give you this link in the description box of this YouTube video. So here, just at first open this link, then scroll down slowly. Here, as you can see, download Microsoft ODBC driver 18 for SQL Server 64. Like maximum nowadays, maximum PCs are 64-bit only. So before downloading, please check it. Okay. In my case, it is 64-bit, and if any other case, if it is 86-bit, then download it respectively. So you need to click on it here. If you click on it, it will download. See, I already downloaded it. That's why it is showing in bracket 1. Let me show you the file. See, I already downloaded ago. So let me delete it. So what you need to do, you need to double click on this ms odbc sql.mssi. If you double click on it, let me double click. So you need to click on next. You need to do okay. I am doing next. Allow user, then next. Yeah. So here, if whenever you will open it for the first time, in this second icon it will be cross. Okay. In the second icon it will be cross, but you need to click on the this one. Uh, will be installed in local hard drive. Okay, you need to click on this option. Okay, then you need to click on next. Then you need to click on install. Okay, if you click on install, the installation process will begin. A window will come. The window will show that thing the installation process, like that a green color bar will go from left side to right side. Okay, it will not take much time, like within 5 minutes it will be completed. Since I already completed this activity, I am not installing it, it may overwrite. So I am clicking on cancel. Like after downloading. Okay, after downloading, what you need to do is you need to close your this SSMS server. Okay, because after installation is completed, it will take some time to reflect here. Okay, you need to close it. You need to close your whole SSMS server. After closing, again open it. Whenever you will open it for the second time, it will work perfectly. Let me show you now. Now I will click on connect so that it will connect. Let me see the databases. Okay, the orders database is here. Let's make this order database as a default database. Like all time you don't need to click on this like you don't need to click on this drop down always. Okay, there is a query like if you type use orders and if you run this query, this will automatically change, the drop down will automatically change. Okay, so now we are using orders database. So now our goal is to import the excel sheet here. Okay, so I will click on order, right click on it, then click on tasks, import data, then click on next. We all know in the data source will be ms excel, Microsoft Excel. In the browse path, select order data, then click on next. Now here the catch comes. See, in this drop down, don't select Microsoft Excel. It will throw the error again. What you need to select is like here you need to select Microsoft OLEDB provider for SQL Server. I am pausing my video here. Like you can also pause your video here. Okay, like after installation of that exe file, like after completion of the exe file, you will get this option in this drop down. Like previously this option was not available in my drop down. You need to select this option only. If you select this option here, you can also select the database again. In my case orders is the database. Click on next. This option is already okay. Now this is the sheet one, and here wait a minute, here there is a button called edit mapping. If you click on edit mapping, like here all the mappings will be correct only since it is a .xlx file, but whenever you will work with flat file or .csv file, you may encounter this error. The error is like, let's say the data type will be changed, like number will be text or date will be date time. Here in my case, three columns are there: revenue, cost, region. Revenue and cost has decimal values. That means like they are the money. So it has float. It is showing as float. Okay, and region is showing in varchar. It is also okay. Like you can, if you like, let's say it is a wrong thing. So if you click on this float, you will get this drop down. From this drop down, you can select the correct option also. Okay, so as of for my case it is already by default it is okay, but whenever you will try to import any .csv file, you may get encountered this error, so be aware that time. Now I am clicking on cancel. Now I am clicking on next. Here this is also okay. Next, then finish. See here everything will be success, all will be green, no error will come. I will show you also in the left pane. Even Up, I will show you after running also. See, all things are done. Now all things are green. Now click on close. If if I expand this orders database in the table section also, see that seat one already came. And one more thing, this is showing a weird kind of name like seat one. Then there is a dollar symbol. If you click on here, right click on it, and you can rename it also. For my case, I will give this name orders underscore data. From here also you can rename. See, it is renamed. Now let me do a select query to show you. Select star from order data. Yeah, see, all the values are coming correctly. Okay, so like this way you need to you need to correct the SSMS issue. Hope this video will help many of you. Don't be demotivated. Okay, if anyone is still facing issue, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely reply, and I will make another video. Like if things are required, I will make another video also in my YouTube channel soon. So yeah, thank you all. So let's wrap up.